things would you like to tell to my listeners कि वो daily routine में कर सकेंगे for the mobile phones?
For the mobile phones, many little simple things that you can do.
Yes.
And I think start doing them right now.
Right now. So are you going to be shutting down this one? Please don't do that. That's quite far away from us.
See, now your camera is here.
Yeah.
Now, do you need the 3G connection with it? No.
No.
You can use your camera without having the 3G connection. So turn that, in the settings.
Yes.
Go to airplane mode.
Yeah.
And just turn that airplane mode off. On.
अच्छा on करना है. On करने का है वो. I've already done with that. Apart from aeroplane mode, मेरे को अपना मोबाइल को कितनी दूर रखने का है?
अच्छा, एक तो प्लीज ऐसे मोबाइल को लेके ना कान के साथ या पिलो के साथ लगा के सोना मत बिल्कुल. बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं. प्लीज, बहुत गलत आदत है.
Okay.
All night your phone is radiating. Your brains, your body is supposed to rest. So do not have this interference right next to you. You will sleep better. You will sleep better.
I tried right here today. आज रात से ही मैं ये पक्का करने वाली हूँ.
Okay, again,
my mobile phone. Yes.
If you want your alarm on,
yeah,
you again don't need the 3G connection. So just turn that setting, put it on airplane mode, put your alarm, and then you can leave it at 2 feet distance from you while you're sleeping. Okay?
Yes. Anyhow, we can do that after talking to boyfriends and all. So we can do that, right? अपन लोग कर सकते हैं. That's not a problem. Yes. उसके बाद
सुधरने वाले तो है नहीं ये लोग. बात क्यों करती जा रही हूँ मैं? Then yes, don't keep your phones for hours and hours in your pockets next to your heart or next to, in your jeans pockets.
Yes.
Because this now, without doubt, has been proven that your sperm and all that, your reproductive organs are affected by this constant radiation. So this will lead to infertility amongst men, reproductive organ problems for young girls. So please be very careful. Keep it in your bag but not on your body.
Okay. Should not be touching the body.
Yeah.
Right. So miss touch me not. I should become, right? Phone को मैं बोल रही हूँ. I'm not saying it to anyone else. Yes. All right. Apart from that, moving down to the next point, it is.
Not just me. Even your phone, if you go in your settings and all, you go into it. Your mobile phone itself tells you that keep a distance, 15 mm, 10 mm between the phone and your body while it is transmitting. So when your company is telling you, we are just not reading our settings, but it's telling you, keep a distance. But how many of us keep a distance? All of us stick it to our ear and talk. It's wrong. And keep your calls short. Talk to the point ना. पूरी दुनिया की न्यूज़ क्यों मोबाइल फोन पे ही खबर देनी है सबको?
Yes.
So all the unnecessary stuff, cut it out. Definitely don't give it to your children.
All right.
Please. I have a tough time in my own house.
Playing Angry Birds and a lot of Subway Surf and Temple Run, so we'll not be giving it to the kiddos, right?
Kiddos, if you give it, again, airplane mode, not 3G. So cut that on the settings.
Yes.
Put it on airplane
That's
mode.
the main point.
Turn it off when not in use. अगर नहीं यूज इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो तो प्लीज टर्न योर फोन ऑफ.
सुपर्ब. एंड जूही जी, आई वुड लव टू आस्क यू वन मोर थिंग, बिकॉज मोबाइल पे हम लोग इतनी सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. आप अपना मोबाइल दिन में कितना मैक्सिमम यूज़ करते हो? मैक्सिमम. And if you use it with the earphones or something?
Oh yeah, if I have to, yes,
earphones. I got that point. Yes, I got it.
अब आप ही बता दो.
नहीं, you should be using your earphones. जैसे कि अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले जूही जी को सुना था. So earphones प्लग करेंगे, Bluetooth नहीं, right?
Bluetooth नहीं, because that is again wireless. जो wireless है, that is again radiating in the air.
Yes.
So not Bluetooth, the wired little headset.
All right.
And so your phone is at a distance, your wired headset is here, you talk, you do your work, but keep your phone at a distance.
So many things to be talked with Joohi ji. So finally